Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So have you clicked on this video and that you are here watching today. Today is a very exciting and special video. I am going to be doing a collab with my very good friend here on YouTube and Instagram. Ayyyeeeitsamanda. She's super cool, super funny, very talented, and I always enjoy watching her videos. Trust me, you guys will also. So I'll leave all of her information down in the description box. I will leave the link to her part of the video also down there. So definitely go check her out and let her know that I sent you there. She does a lot of product reviews, makeup tutorials, a lot of unboxings as well. Not too long ago, I did a palette bingo using the ABH CARLI BYBEL palette, and then she told me that she really enjoys doing the palette bingo, so then you were like, hey, let's do a collab. So yes, here we are. So we finally decided to do this palette bingo with the one, the only BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. If you guys know this palette, look at it right there. Look at this palette that we're going to be working with. Yeah. It's definitely going to be more of like a challenge for me, I think, because like when I look at this palette, honestly, so colorful, super just like every color of the rainbow you have in this palette. I usually like to reach for this palette when I am doing like the colorful looks or like a pop of color on the inner corner or lower lash line, anything like that. I've never really done like a full blown out, I can't remember, I don't know, like a full blown out colorful look. So those of you who have been with me for a really long time, you know that I already start off with my face already done and I am baking. If you are ever interested or curious about the products that I don't mention in the video, I always leave a list of products down in the description box also, so you can see, you know, step by step what products I use. This one does have 35, it says 35 color pressed pigment palette. So my max for this palette right here is going to be 35. That 6 was already there, and that's just how it comes up when I put it up. Okay, so 35 is the max right there that you can see. Just a reminder, I am gonna go by rows this way. So this is number 1, 2, 3, so on so forth, so on so forth, like that. And these are included in the numbers. Let's go ahead and generate the first one. Click 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30. Right there. It's a green. It's like a, I don't think I've ever actually used this shade. I've maybe probably swatched it, but I've never actually used it. So wow, interesting. Let's see number 2, 5. That one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, another green, a lime green. Oh, that's exciting. 3. Oh, 21. Oh my gosh, guys, I am not lying. This is number 21. It's another green. I can't be making this up, guys. Like, this is what I'm getting. 2 more numbers to choose from, second to last. We have 24, 22, 23, 24. The purple right there. Then last number. Dun, dun, dun. What's it gonna be? 25? What? Huh? Plot twist. Where is it? Right here. This pink right there. I did go ahead and I just swatched them onto my toilet paper just because like this is like, I'm having trouble trying to create something. Like my creativity is like stuck. The colors definitely are like very springy or like summery. So like also maybe that's why my inspiration right now being in winter, I'm like, oh, what can I do with this? So since we are working with colors and like really bright colors, I am going to prime my eyelid with the NYX Eyeshadow Base. And it's just a white base and I just do this to help those colors pop. I'm gonna take my finger and finish blending it out. Now that I have that set in, I am going to go in with my first color, and I'm going to go in with number 5, which is this lime green right here. I'm going to be using this shade as my transition shade. So let's just begin by packing it. Oh, look at that color payoff. Ooh, loving it already. And I've used this shade before. Never as a transition shade, but wow. Okay, I'm just gonna pack it in first, way up here. Pack it first, and then I begin to blend it inwards. After that, I'm going in with this green right here, which is number 21. And that I'm going to begin applying with a concealer brush. And it's not gonna be like, ah, has some fallout. Blow it off. There we go. After that color is put on there, I'm taking my first brush. It's clean, no extra product. I'm just going to run that between the 2 colors. After that, we're going in with number 30, which is the first one we chose, this green one right here. It does look like it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but we're going to work with it. I'm going to use this one because when I swatch them here onto the toilet paper, that's this one right here, number 30. It's the darkest out of the greens, so that's why I want to use it to deepen up the eye, or to give it dimension. Don't know how well this is gonna work. I don't know. I honestly do not. But we're gonna find out together. Is it showing up? A little bit. Yeah, it's coming out. It's looking more like a bluish green on my eye. And I'm just going to drag it in like this to like above that. I don't know how to explain things anymore. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? Right above like my eyeball, like that. So it's not giving it like the deepening effect that I was looking for, but it is giving it like a really pretty, like I guess like shimmer and like other effect to it, which is, I don't know, still looking pretty. So that is what the greens are looking like on my eye right now. Next, we're going to be working on the lower lash line. And for that one, we're taking number 24, the purple. I went a little bit overboard, more than what I wanted to, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. We're gonna make it look good. Hi guys, it's me editing. Sorry that I look a little bit tired because I am. I'm editing and technical difficulties. I don't know why this is happening. Look at this. I know I recorded it, and when I have the SD card into my camera, I see the clip. This is like the 5th time that I plug it in, or like put it into my camera laptop, and it's not coming out. Watch what I'm talking about. I have my SD card in, okay? I'm using my phone right now, and look at how many clips shows up on my laptop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, all of these imported, and I'm currently working on it, but I'm missing a clip. I don't know why it's not showing up on the laptop, but it does show up on the camera. I blend out the purple, okay, and then I just add the last color, which is the pink, onto my inner corner. And watch, it's 7, right? You guys counted it 7. Okay, I'm just gonna like click out of this. I'm gonna take out the SD card. All right, it's ready to take out. Now let's put it into the camera. Struggling. All right, that goes in. Okay, let's turn it on. I have like very low battery, so okay, now watch. Okay, that's the very last clip. That's 1, 2. That's the one I'm missing. That one. Okay, because look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then that's another one. Why am I missing that? It's coming out on my camera. That one right there. I blend out the purple and add the pink. I know I recorded it. I know I did. I obviously can't re-record it now, but just so you know that that did happen and I did record it. Why does it hate me? Anyways, let's get back to the video. I am back, and I did add everything else to my face. I did add a wing to on top of the purple wing. I did add lashes because this look required it. It's just like very dramatic, and it wouldn't look the same without them, so I just had to add them. And I did keep the lips very muted because a lot is going on up here. I want to keep this like not cray. I did go in first with the Bare Minerals matte lip in Hemp, and then on top of that just put a little bit of the Maybelline Superstay in Crayon and Live on the Edge. So guys, I tried my best. This was definitely a challenge. I thought it was going to be easier than what it actually was. Now thinking about it though, maybe I would have used the greens differently. Like I mentioned before, if you guys want to try palette bingo, it's super fun. It gets your creativity flowing. It opens you up to using your palettes in a different way. Thank you, Amanda, for doing this collaboration with me. It was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed also. Don't forget to check her video down there. Go check it out. I want to see. I still haven't seen, so I'm excited to see what she has done. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.